causes that led to the conquest of Makkah. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, said that the immediate factor leading to the conquest of Makkah was that the Quraysh broke the Treaty of Hudaybiyah and arrogantly conveyed to the Holy Prophet ﷺ that they would wage war against them. It was upon this that the Holy Prophet ﷺ set out towards Makkah. There were two tribes near the sacred mosque, the Banu Khuzā, who made a pact with the Muslims, and the Banu Bakr, who made a pact with the Quraysh. A secret attack was launched against the Banu Khuzā, who were caught off guard thinking that they were safe from any fighting due to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. 20 men from the Banu Khuzā were killed. Later realizing they had broken the treaty, the Quraysh grew worried. Abu Sufyan said that this now meant the Holy Prophet ﷺ would attack them. In fact, he said his wife Hind had seen a dream showing a stream of blood flowing, indicating bloodshed. Vision of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. The Holy Prophet ﷺ was informed of this attack against the Banu Khuzā by God through a vision. His wife Hazrat Maimuna, may Allah be pleased with her, relates that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ awoke in the morning and went to perform ablution, she heard him saying 3 times, "I am here," and then, "You have been helped." Later, when Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, learned of the Holy Prophet ﷺ's vision and what had transpired, she asked the Holy Prophet ﷺ if the Quraysh would really do this, knowing that they had a treaty. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that this was all in accordance with the plan of God and that ultimately it would lead to something beneficial for the Muslims. A contingent of the Banu Khuzā, including their chief, travelled to meet the Holy Prophet ﷺ and seek his help. They recounted the entire ordeal to him as he sat in the mosque alongside his companions. The Holy Prophet ﷺ informed them that he would help them. It is recorded that the Holy Prophet ﷺ sent Hazrat Zumrah, may Allah be pleased with him, to the Quraysh to give them 3 options. 1. Offer blood money for those whom they killed. 2. Announce dissociation from the Banu Nafasa, branch of Banu Bakr. 3. End the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. When he conveyed this message to the chieftains of the Quraysh, they said that paying the blood money for so many people would leave them penniless, and that they could not abandon the Banu Nafasa. Hence they said they would certainly fight against the Holy Prophet ﷺ and thus end the treaty. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, said that the Quraysh regretted their statement and sent Abu Sufyan to meet with the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Allah the Almighty had already informed the Holy Prophet ﷺ about Abu Sufyan's arrival. Before he arrived, the Holy Prophet ﷺ told his companions that Abu Sufyan would be arriving to seek a new treaty, but he would return unhappy. Abu Sufyan proceeded to meet with the Holy Prophet ﷺ seeking the renewal of the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. He lied by saying that there was nothing that would render the treaty null and void. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said the Muslims had also done nothing contrary to the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. Abu Sufyan continued pleading with the Holy Prophet ﷺ, but the Holy Prophet ﷺ did not give him any further response. Abu Sufyan then went and implored Hazrat Abu Bakr, then Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Ali and even Hazrat Fatima, may Allah be pleased with them all, asking them to speak on his behalf to the Holy Prophet ﷺ. However, all of them refused and expressed that they stood firmly behind the Holy Prophet ﷺ and whatever he decided. Abu Sufyan's final attempt was to go back to the Holy Prophet ﷺ and say that he had announced peace among his people and he trusted that the Muslims would abide by this. The Holy Prophet ﷺ said that this was merely his one-sided claim which held no merit. Thereafter, Abu Sufyan left and returned to Makkah without having achieved his purpose. Preparations for the journey to Makkah. The Holy Prophet ﷺ quietly began preparation for his journey towards Makkah. He announced to the people that they should begin preparing for a journey, but did not tell them where they were going. The Holy Prophet ﷺ employed various strategies to keep this journey a secret. For example, he deployed a contingent of 8 men to the Valley of Izm so that one might think he was going to Izm. Similarly, he sent others to different places near Medina. This was all done under the leadership of Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him. Then the Holy Prophet ﷺ prayed that the Quraysh would not find out about their plans. His Holiness, may Allah be his helper, concluded with prayers for the state of the world. The potential for war to spread continues to increase. We should pray that Allah the Almighty keeps us safe from its destruction. May Allah the Almighty grant the Muslim countries sense. May they turn their attentions towards this, and may they strive to become united, instead of not helping one another due to sectarianism. All Muslim countries are in danger because the disbelieving nations have become like a united nation. Thus, the Muslims must also become united as a single nation, because this is the only way they can survive. There is no other way. May Allah the Almighty protect all the innocent and oppressed from harm. We must focus a great deal on prayers. May Allah the Almighty enable us to do so.